name's Ollie or Olivier. I'm the CTO at ChargeHub. ChargeHub's mission is to simplify the electric vehicle charging experience. And we think that if we simplify it so much, that'll increase electric vehicle adoption. The problem that we solve with ChargeHub, there's two kind of layers to the problem. There's the finding where to charge. So charging stations aren't like gas stations where gas stations are announced on the highway. You can see them from really far. You really need an app to direct you to that station. So that's one problem we solve. Right now in North America, we have 120,000 charging ports that we support. The second problem that we solve is when you get to the charging station, you need to pay for charging. So there's over 35 different operators of these charging stations. And every time you get to kind of a new place, you have to sign up for an account with that charging operator. So with ChargeHub, you can create one account, one app, and you can charge at over 70% of the charging stations in North America. We're participating this year in MongoDB World here in New York, and we are discovering all sorts of cool features and new features that are coming out that we're really excited about. So when we compared to other databases and MongoDB, the performance on MongoDB was so much better. So it made that choice really a no-brainer. Another reason we went to Mongo was that our tech stack is all based on Node.js. So the extension or the connection to Mongo was so seamless, like with the document model, even the Mongo query language, like it just fits so well with Node and JavaScript. We will definitely start exploring a lot more on MongoDB Atlas. So with charts to make it a lot simpler to report some of our things, our data. Client-side encryption will make it a lot better for us in the future as we scale for some things. And I think it's really great for startups to be able to do that. Start from day one on an amazing platform that's scalable with industry security. If you are looking into an electric vehicle or you have an electric vehicle, I highly urge you to go download the ChargeHub app. And if you have any feedback about it, reach out to our support channel, and we're really happy to hear your feedback and help us improve our product.